In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Firstly, you need to open a recorder app that's already on your Samsung and tap on while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then use the red button at the bottom to start recording. Hit allow one more time, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. Now name your recording however you wish, and hit save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. And to manage it, oh so sorry, that was a misclick. And to manage it, hold it and use all of those options at the bottom. Make sure to tap on more at the bottom right corner to access all of those as well. If you wish, you can always tap on those three dots at the top right corner too, or those three lines at the top left one. This way you can, for example, access recordings you previously deleted, or click on this gear at the top and manage all of those options, like for example recording mode. If you wish to get rid of any recording, you can do that by holding it and choosing delete, or by tapping on those three dots, hitting edit, tapping on any recordings you want, and choose delete all. Wherever you decided, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!